course, a sure way to end the bite is to put on a camera.
It's still playing a little high.
Okay.
I could adjust it real quick. That's pretty cool though. How much did these run?
It was a present. I don't actually know.
Yeah.
Couple $100 probably.
And they're HD.
Yeah. I played with it a little bit.
That's an underwater casing?
I took the underwater casing off of it.
Oh, okay.
This one gives you better sound transmission.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Cuba's got a Sanyo underwater HD cam.
Oh yeah?
And I don't know how they do it, but you can stick the thing underwater, talk, and it'll pick up your conversation while it's underwater.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, not as clear as, you know, what's being above us. You can understand what I'm saying. What I'm talking. Right landing knock. Is that thing running right now?
Yeah, it is. Hookup.
Ready for a double. You guys want to know the count?
Sure, how many?
Yes.
30.
Maybe 20. What? Maybe 20.
Yeah, probably 20, 25.
26.
26.
Double! Okay. It's probably one of the only races you can almost always call it double. Both about the same size there.
He's running a little bit.
The 10 buddies been happy there.
Looks like there's going to be a line at the net. All right. Mine's not done yet. Nice fish. Yeah, looks good. This guy's ready. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. There he is.
flies, the nice thing about these things, they last forever.
Yeah, sometimes you catch like 2 or 3 fish on a fly and it's gone.
Yeah, these flies are, yeah, they're good for like a ton of fish.
Alrighty, say goodbye.
Can you watch the video on that too?
No. It's pretty simple. It's just basically on and off.